guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about India-Maldives relations. Let's start. Our today's question is: India backs the Maldives over Afghanistan for UNG United Nations General Assembly President post based on prior commitment. Discuss the India-Maldives relationship in present scenario. So let's start. We need to understand what is the question's demand. We need to discuss means we need to provide all the information, means pros and cons about it, and about present scenario, what are the ties between us and what are the cooperations between us. Let's start. Significance of this question that can be asked under the GS paper 2 in headings India and its neighbors, neighborhood, bilateral grouping and agreements, effects on policies and politics of countries on India's interest. Our introduction would be: India and Maldives have cultural, historical, religious, diplomatic, commercial, ethnic, linguistic relations. India was the first nation who recognized Maldives. Maldives is a nation of islands in Indian Ocean. Both lie in South Asia. Recently, India supported Maldives over Afghanistan for the president post of the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA in short. You can see this is India, our country, and here is the country of Iceland, which is Maldives. You can draw this map in your answer, and in geographical questions you must include map because it will help you to grab more marks. India and Maldives relations. In India, in 1988, Mission Cactus was started by India to help Maldives when there was a coup or political instability. Maldives is an important aspect of India's neighborhood first policy. Maldivian students attend educational institutions in India. Maldives is an important partner of India and in Indian Ocean to deal with increasing dominance of China. India-Maldives policy of sustainable development and urban planning. Then both the countries are part of SAARC countries. Patients from the Maldives came in India for the super specialty healthcare. Maldives is a tourist and job destination for Indians. Then cooperation between both the countries. Defense cooperation. India provide the largest number of training opportunities for Maldivian National Defence Force, MNDF in short, also conduct Aquarian joint exercise. Then security corporations. India provide emergency assistance to, anywhere when Maldives is in need. For example, Operation Cactus. Disaster management. India also helped Maldives during disaster like 2004 tsunami, water crisis in Malé in December 2014, and now COVID-19 pandemic. India provide vaccine, PPE kits and other medicines like in under Mission Sagar. Then trade corporations. India is the fourth largest trade partner of Maldives and fifth largest source of tourist arrival in the Maldives. Then diplomatic presence. India is the first country who proposed opening consulate in Adhere city of Maldives. Then maritime activities. Indian Ocean has rising their importance as geopolitical competition and tackle China. Then concerns are political instability appear in Maldives regularly. Dominance of China, sting of pearls and Maldives especially stock in these proposals. Then radicalization, for example, tourism and ISIS is currently been arising in Maldives. China's Belt and Road Initiative is also a concern for us. Maldives also facing huge economic debts. Then what are the steps we need to take in? India need to strengthen people-to-people ties, like we can use our diaspora. For that, India can develop its islands as tourist hub on the Maldivian footsteps. Then both the countries can work on disaster management and resilience against natural calamities like tsunami, cyclone and other kind of calamities. Both of them need to work in the field of climate change to preserve coral reefs. Maldives is an important part of China's string of pearls policy, so we need to provide assistance to Maldives to come out from the Chinese debt. It also helps us in our and Quad vision, Quad vision for free and open Indo-Pacific region. Our conclusion would be Maldives is part of neighborhood first policy of the government. India remains a committed development partner for a stable, prosperous and peaceful Maldives. Both of them supporters of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. We need Maldives to tackle China and both need to work for the mutual benefits. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.